All right, Surfline says 3 to 5 feet, northwest wind making for junky surf, and it gives it a poor rating. I've been surfing for a year and a half, and I feel like I've made good progress in a short amount of time, and I've had a lot of fun, which is more important. And my philosophy is to go out and just get wet. Just get in the ocean, and no expectations, make the most of whatever is there. Unless, of course, it's too big. If it's dangerous, I don't do that. But if it's blown out, if it's messy, whatever, I'll still get out there and try to make the most of it. And I feel like there have been plenty of days when Surfline says it's terrible and there's nobody out, and I'll go out and I'll get a bunch of waves and I'll have fun, more importantly. And for me, like, surfing in the morning sets the tone for the whole day. There's something about the ocean. It has this tranquilizing effect. So let's go. Okay, going with the 7-foot Ben Gravy. Freaking crank that heat. All right, so before I actually got a wetsuit and got in the ocean, I used to think there's no way that could possibly keep you warm, especially around here where the water can drop down to 48 degrees. I mean, right now it's about 50 degrees, which is still really cold. And, you know, I really do feel it on my hands, but the truth of the matter is the wetsuit does actually keep you warm. And even like when you first go into the water, I mean, maybe there's a little bit of a chill for a second, but it's not much because, you know, immediately you start paddling to get out, you know, to get out the back. So, you know, you warm up pretty quickly. So the coldest part is actually changing. And you don't want to wear your wetsuit to the beach or wear it home. You don't want to be a home changer.
Well, it's windy, but more for me, it's cold.
Yeah, I know. It's like definitely chilly today, and
oh, it's cold. So I'm gonna warm up, and then just let me know before I go in, and then I'll hook back up again.
All right, looking pretty raw and ugly out there, and yeah, I saw about probably 40 surfers in the lineup at the south end. They can have it. I'm gonna keep going. All right, my mom is supposed to be out here, but I don't see her. It doesn't look great, but I'm going out anyway. Look at my changing mat. A savage. I'm cold. Actually, my body's fine. It's just like my jaw is kind of frozen, like if I'm talking funny, and my hands too. But that was super fun. I'm glad I went out and got a couple nice rides there. And I thought I was almost going to get my first floater. There was that left. I don't know if you could tell, but tried to pop up over the lip, but it just wasn't happening. Soon though, that's next on my list. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and get a hot shower. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys in the next one.